Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is the new Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I'm going to show you how to install your SIM card. If you don't have one of these little gadgets right here, you can always use a stick pin. You're going to put it in this hole right here and just push in there, and then that door comes out, this little tray here. Set your phone down, turn this over so that this part right here is showing. Get your SIM card, and then push this in right here. You're going to see like a little groove there. Put it in there. Should fit in there. Make sure it's nice and secure. So push down the edges there, and then you're going to take your phone and just go ahead and insert that right in here, just like that, and just lightly push in, and then there you go. That's all that was to it. Hey, if you take a look at my phone right now, I have the Whitestone dome glass protector on it. It fits perfect on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And I'm also going to be installing the new Iblason Armorbox. So make sure you take a look at my video for that. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss one exciting show. But otherwise, this is going to be an awesome phone. Hey, talk to you later. Have a great day out there, and see you later. Bye-bye. Adios.